Hello there, Spencer back again with another video from our soloing series. This time we're going to look at Let It Be by the Beatles. A beautiful George Harrison solo, one of my favorite solos, incredibly melodic, super well thought out and planned out, and it just sounds good. Yeah, this is a solo that I have a lot of students learn. I remember one student in particular, he was like a real shredder, a lot of sweep picking, doing all this sort of stuff, and he had trouble playing this kind of solo, where it's just like, hey, play the song and make it sound good. So this is a great exercise, kind of in restraint, but also just in time and feel and playing the guitar to serve the song rather than to serve yourself. Anyway, we'll break this down into 4 phrases like normal. First phrase sounds like this. I'll play it nice and slow. Cool, so we're in the key of C major, right? We're gonna start on the 5th fret of our D and G strings. You'll bar your first finger there. Then you're gonna hammer on to the 7th fret of D. This is a pickup, right? It comes in before the top of the solo section, I guess. You say 1 and 2 and 3 and back to 5 on D and G. We're gonna slide from 7 on A to the 5th fret on A. And then we're on beat 1, big C note right there. It's not sliding from 5 to 7 on the A string with your ring finger. So far we've got. Cool, and you can notice I keep my right hand moving. And then we're going. So we got 5 to 7 on D, 5 on G, and then we're gonna bend 7 on G. Then we're gonna slide from 7 on G to 9 on G with our ring finger, and we're gonna keep our middle finger in the ready position to hit 8 on the high E string. So it'll look like this. So slide up and hit that 8 on high E, then slide back down 9 to 7, 5 on G, 7 on G, bend 7, then hit 5 on B and E with your first finger. You're gonna release that bend and pull off to 5, and then end of that phrase is. So I'm doing 2 pull-offs from the 7th fret to the 5th fret on D, and then slide from 7 to 5 on A, and then hammer on pull-off from 3 to 5 on A. That whole phrase again. Then slide 7 to 9. Cool. Second half of the solo starts on the 5th fret of the D string. So we're going 5 to 7 on D, then 2 hits on 5 on G, 7 on D, 5 on G, and we'll slide from 7 to 9 on G again, but this time our middle finger is going to play the 8th fret on B, not on high E. So same notes, just a little faster the second and third times around. And then we'll hit 10 on B, 8, 10 on B, 8 on E. So I'm bending 10 on high E, and then 8, 10, 8 on high E. Then all the way up to 15. Bend, and then normal with some vibrato. Last lick is. So I'm bending 15 on the B string, release it. 13 on B, 15 on B, and then bend again. Bring it back down, 13, 15, 13. Play the whole thing for you one more time. 1 and 2 and 3. there you have it. Let me know what you think in the comment section. Give me some suggestions for some more solos. If you need help with this one, please hit me up. Figured this would be the best way to make friends and meet people to talk to on the internet. So please keep that hope alive, and we'll see you back here next week for more guitar instruction. Bye-bye.